Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to increase Instagram Reels time limit. Want to post longer Instagram Reels? In this video I'll show you how to increase your Instagram Reels time step by step. The first step is to check the latest time limit. Instagram's increased the Reel time limit to 90 seconds for personal accounts, and for business accounts you can post up to 15 minutes using the posts option. As for the second step, is to use Instagram's longer reels option. And to do that, just open Instagram and tap on the plus button and then select reel. Here I'm gonna select reel. And on the left, tap on the length icon and choose 19 seconds. As you can see here, 3 minutes, that's 19 seconds. The third step is to upload longer videos as reels. If you want to post a longer video over 90 seconds, do this. Open Instagram, tap the plus button and choose post instead of reel, and Instagram will automatically convert it to a reel if it's vertical. As for the fourth step is to use an external editing apps. Instagram limits you. Uh, Edit your video using apps like CapCut, VN Editor, and InShot, and trim in into multiple parts and upload them in sequence. And that's it for today's tutorial. Now you know how to increase Instagram Reels time limit. Use these tricks to post longer and more engaging Reels. If you like this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.